Anong reaksyon mo na ang daming bashers na napahiya na nagsasabing hindi ka napapayat ever?
No, understandable naman yon. Hindi, alam mo, sa dami ang daming dinaanan kong hindi nyo alam. Hindi ako nagpapasanta or anything kasi maldita ako pag kailangan, diba? You're just being yourself. I'm basically a very nice and I'm a sincere person. I don't like BSing people. I'm too old for that. And I've never been like that. I don't need to change myself. I've come this far, you know. Parang, you try to understand where they're coming from. Minsan, they say painful things. It's like the way your friends would joke about other people without really meaning to hurt them. Yung gusto mo lang magpatawa. So, iniisip ko na lang, nagpapatawa lang sila. Or, yung bashers na hindi na talaga gaganyan. Sa loob ko, oo nga naman, kung nakita mo, kahit ako, hindi ko akalain, pumayat ako uli. So, I think, I challenged myself. I wanted to see if I could still do it. That was one other thing.
May mga bashers pa ba ngayon? How do you handle?
Ay, hindi ko alam kung meron. Kasi wala na ako paka sa kanila. Oo, dahil ako pumayat na. Tapos may concerts tayo, ganyan. Sila, kung nagbabash pa rin sila, kaawaan na lang natin. Wala na silang activity. Pero yun lang, minsan they come from, depende sa intention eh. Meron talaga binabayaran para siraan ka. Meron kahit di bayaran, sisiraan ka. Meron kasi gusto ibang artista. Meron naman, hindi naman gustong manakit, nagpapatawa lang. So, you know, to live and let live na lang. Ganun na lang. Ako, I'll focus on myself. So when I focused on myself, when I said that I would, and I did, that's when things fell into place. Just don't deprive yourself if you want to lose weight. Don't deprive yourself. Just eat what you want. Pero allow yourself to eat. But not lamon. Just kain. And remove the carbo.